Hey, good looking. I'm so glad that you came to my kitchen today to see what we all have cooking. Well, grab a hold of that vine, swing onto my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Well, hey there, good looking. I'm so glad that you came to my kitchen for the Instapot Weeknight Warriors. And today, I'm going to sit there and make the no-peel egg salad. Let's go ahead, open up our Instapots. Grab your trivet that came with your Instapot. Put that down inside. You're gonna want 1 cup of water. Go ahead, add the 1 cup of water. Now, I have a bowl that fits the inside. I'm gonna grab some no cooking spray. Grab the bowl that I'm going to be using and just quick give it a spray. I'm going to sit there and use 6. So I'll be back when I'm all done cracking them inside my bowl. So let's just grab one of them eggs, crack them right on in. Here are all my eggs. Now I put some aluminum foil over the top so no water goes down inside my eggs. Now I also sat there and took some aluminum foil to make some handles so it's easier to lift out of the Instapot after it's done cooking. Now grab your covers, put the cover on. We're going to come down here to manual. We're going to set the time for 5 minutes. And we're going to make sure that it's sealed up on the top part here. We're going to allow the pressure to all build up on the inside. And then we're going to sit there and do a quick release. Okay. I kind of moved the camera so it's not in my way so I can show you how easy them handles work on a bowl. And you see the water? Maybe I might have to adjust the camera again. But you see the water that has accumulated on top of the aluminum foil? That would have dripped right inside onto my egg salad, and I don't want that. Right here is, it looks like it could go a minute or 2 more. I think I'm gonna cook it longer. So back in, because I don't like runny egg salad. So I'm going to put my cover back on. Close the lid. Come down here. Push the off. Come back up here under the manual. And I'm gonna sit there and cook mine for 1 more minute. Okay, it's sounded off. Now, you know that nice little spoon that they gave you with the pressure cooker? The spoon that came with our Instapots, remember? I didn't get it in the last frame, but it fits right over the edge. So, if you're afraid of the pressure valve and you're afraid to relieve any of the pressure by hand, by all means, use that spoon that came with your Instapots. It aids in opening up the pressure valve. Let's go ahead, open up the cover. Always open up the cover away from you so you do not get no steam burns. Carefully remove our aluminum foil because it has that collected water and we do not want that to go into our no peel egg salad. Now, as you see, there's your boiled eggs, no peel. I have a fork and I have a knife, and I'm just gonna sit there and go and cut these. So I'm gonna come over and put some in mine. I'm gonna stir that all up and I'm gonna make my sandwich. Here's what mine looks like, all mixed up. And there you go. That's how easy peasy it was to make a no peel egg salad. And it was so easy to do. I mean, who wants to sit there and boil eggs and peel them ever again? When you can sit there and make your egg salad as easy as 1, 2, 3. Now, if you like this recipe and you like what you sit there and see all on my channel, please help build my channel up. Share the word of my channel. Share the recipes with everybody. Be sure to give me a big old thumbs up. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. And if you're not yet a subscriber, tap that little bell. That way you always be notified every time I do put out a new video. And here's to happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatings. Y'all come back now. You hear?